Is just a kind of massaging of the truth for the sake of convenience and expediency. Gossip and sexual immorality of various kinds, well, we just view things of that kind as being natural, inevitable, perhaps a form of recreation which is essentially harmless. Laziness, well, who is it hurting anyway? Greed, well, I'm not as greedy as other people I know. And on it goes. We minimize sin. We present it to others as being insignificant. We justify it to ourselves as being of little account. But the problem with all this is that God obviously takes it very, very seriously. He takes it so seriously that the wage he demands for
Hi ka daw, Naya. Hi.
Sige. Oo, sige, sige. Baka na daw. Baka na daw.
Anong gusto mo?
Makto.
Makto. Jaden! 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 Uy, over here. Jaden! Hi! Uy! Uy! Jaden! Hello po! Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is September 17? Oh, wait, anak. September 17. Sadali, ay, ano nga yan? September 14. September 14, Sunday. So, hindi kami agad lumabas. Nagpagkwentuhan muna sa mga kaibigan. And now, si Jaden naantok na. Gutom na rin siguro to. Pero napadetect siya bago kami umalis eh. Kaya medyo na-late kami. Na-late kami ng 10 minutes. Naya, there! Si Janaya. Naantok ka na tong. Nilipan ni Daddy yung sasakyan. Nung dumating kami, dito niya nilagay. Ay, wala na sila. Ay, hindi. Nandyan, oh. Yan, oh. Insecto yung mga yan, oh. Ano kaya mga yan? Dami kanina, eh. Inalis ni Daddy. Baka pumunta sa sasakyan. Kainin namin ngayon. Naya! Naya, hi! Hi! Naya, hi!
Wow!
Can you see? You can see yourself? There.
Kali pa yung sakit?
Hawak lang. Nangawi na ako. Oo, pero hindi na ganun karami. Naya, take a picture with Daddy. Naya, take a picture with Daddy. Bago yan din, oh. Ornaments pa. Lots of toys daw there.
What's that?
$5 ano puan?
$5.
Yan, oh.
Wala lang. Ito na yung bangko.
Naya, look at this.
It's a dog.
It's a doll, yes. You like it?
That's a like
Oh, look at this. You have this at home.
Dalawang minta.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, we have that at home? Yeah, it's the same thing. Halloween na. Oh.
Yeah. I have a helmet. Wow, it's a helmet.
It's a horse.
Mom.
You like horse?
Yeah. I think it's carrot. Oh, no.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Stay here. There's toys over there. You go over there? Over here. Halloween. Costume. 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 Oh, there's a dinosaur over here. Dino.
Dino. Yeah, dino.
You like dino?
And this is for daddy.
That's for daddy daw de.
I like dino.
Oh, Bluey.
Bluey.
Oh, de.
Wow, how Bluey was.
Oh, Paw Patrol.
Wow, Paw Patrol. I want silent. I like everything, Mom.
You like everything over there? There's more over there. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Yeah, the water.
Yeah.
Dada.
Okay, there's more over there. The toys over there. Oh, that's a microphone. Dora.
Wow. Spider-Man, water, and now water. And dino. Wow, wow. Actually, come see it.
Ba't mo kilala yun? Ako nga, di ko kilala yun eh. Daddy. Kilala niya si Wakanda.
Wow, I have this for home.
Yeah, you have that at home.
And now, wow.
I'm the team leader. I'm ready to clear the way.
Oh, I want to take you away.
Look at this, Naya. A big one. Naya. A big one. Naya. A big one. Remember, you have that at home? A big one.
Yes, wow. Wow, I have kids for wow, I have for tea. Wow. I like it, Mommy. Like it.
You like it?
I like makeup, Mom.
You like makeup too?
And ice cream.
And ice cream, yeah, you have that at home too.
Yes. Dad, I have this for home. Dad, I have that, Dad. And free.
I have this, I have that, Anna.
Wow, it's so many.
So many.
Wow.
It's so many.
Wow, sparkly.
Sparkly ka na.
Yes, I have everything.
Yeah, you have everything.
Yes, I have everything.
Yes. You have already so many toys. Talagang yung kaya niya.
Kaya nga, pinakita ko sa kanya.
Yes.
Kilala niya to, de.
Yeah.
Naya, show it to daddy. This one. Who's this?
Is
Who's this?
Now,
Wakanda, na ano?
I
What?
have a microphone. Can I bring it down?
no, what's that?
Is
To Dora?
Can I bring this, Dad?
Okay, you can bring it, but we will not buy it.
Ah, okay, amo.
Bring it. Just bring
How
it.
about this? You want this?
Mommy, Dora, this is what? Dora. This is Dora. This is a minion.
This one din, naka-roll back.
A Papa Pig.
Ayaw niya. Di siya interesado. You like everything?
Yes. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday? Daddy, she's asking if it's her birthday. Yeah. They have everything, anak, ano?
Wow. This is. Wow. I like everything, Mom.
You like everything?
Yes,
I love it daw.
I love it.
Oh, at least she knows how to appreciate.
Dad, I like it.
Thanks. You only like taste for a few hours and you don't like it.
Laki ng mangga. Hindi ka nalugi. 197. Isa lang, oo.
Okay.
Ikaw. Pili ka.
I like orange, Dad. And I eat it.
Oh, you
You like orange?
Yes, I like orange. And that's what Mommy, give me that, please.
This is yours. Can you carry this for me?
Okay,
This one. No, this one. In my arm.
okay.
Hulog. Bilhin ka ba to, de? Yung mga pants?
Ano mo?
Wala.
Isang bure mula sa doon.
Oo.
Ito, ang bure ko sa doon. Parang nakakalapan. Kailangan ng worry.
Maliliit na. Wala nga silang black eh. Gusto ko sana black pang park.
Wow, I like banana.
Wait.
Okay, Naya, maybe put it back. Ito na mong green ang pong gray. Green and gray. Para dark color. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Naya, where are we? What coin?
I can't see now.
Yeah. So you talk to them. Oh, talk.
Daddy.
No, you.
Hello, this is my daddy. This is Sophie.
Nag-vlog na daw siya. Dito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Pinila namin siya ng bagong pajama.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Did you pay? Buti pwede siya.
Ito na lang yung tako. Mas kailangan ng pasuwaga.
100?
100. Yung kami,
Sinira na yung ano?
lalo ka kasi. Matalito.
Nya, sinira na yung ano?
Yun.
Chay,
Marami na siguro.
pemili na yung binuklat. Naya, come. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Come, over here. Let's go. Go. Let's go to the car.
Wow.
Come, bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Over here. Right side. Bilisan mo na. Mamang is waiting for us. Ba't ganyan? Oh, stay. Oh, let's go na.
It's quite raining.
Is the wind? Is the wind fly?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Sit there with Mamang.
Flying.
Daddy will come. Di, pakibukas yung ano. $20 na ng hapon. Naya, hi ka daw. Busy na. Uy. Hi ka daw.
This is
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
I just shopping.
Outside?
I sat in a shopping. I want to go too.
No, we can just wait for Daddy. Ito si Daddy sa... Kita. Balik. 5 guys. Titinda ng mga yan, ano, burger, tsaka fries, shake. What else? Hot dog. First time namin makakain yan. Pero si Daddy nakakain na yan. Kasi pag nag-work siya dito sa dati niyang manager, yan sila pumupunta sa 5 guys. So, alam na niya ang lasa. Nililibre sila. So, yun. Binila namin ng pajama si Janaya ng more bigger size. Imbis na 3 size 6 na siya sa pajama. Hindi malaki, hindi maliit, tama lang. Kasi kapag nag-bend siya or malikot, hindi tumataas yung damit niya. So, tama lang. Tapos binilhan namin siya ng ko siya ng 2 leggings size 6. Yan lang, walang black eh. Hanap sana ng black pang part niya.
Yeah. Pwede pa naman din black.
Hindi masyadong masikip. Kaya yun. Wait na lang natin si Daddy. For sure si Jaden gutom na. Na siyang nagdidi, alas 10. Tulog pa siya, ma? Just tulog. Pag uwi namin, padidiin ko na.
Malapit ganda ah.
Mahal?
Oo. Biro mong burger yan. $12.
Oo. Pero kapag meal,
Ay ko na balo. Ay ko na.
baka pag meal, may ano.
Ano? Siguro yung meal mga checking 17.
Yung burger doon, mga ragong naman ata.
Mas maraguling yung kaya mo.
Burger
King. Malatin na. Madua mong burger ang pang anong price? Mira 50.
Ay, kamal.
Mahal.
Mak.
Pero alam na natin.
Kamal.
Hindi na uulit. Anyat, nag-kayo.
Hindi kanya maning burger ito.
Kasi kayong Burger King,
Ulit.
yung dosi, kaya nito. Meal nito.
Buti dito ka pa pupunta, din na lang dito.
Ayaw rin mapait king dyan.
Pero marami pa rin pumupunta sa kanila natin. Fresh kasi. Hindi siya frozen. Parang
Wow.
Barney.
Wah, yung kaya da, yung burger da, itong nanta. Nangaw sila ka na.
Pinipress po nila.
Itong burger da price. Iya frozen. Tapos yung french fries na is freshly cut.
Daming price ah.
Hindi magpakamal na.
Bagong luto. One more? Init? Kapali. Pali. Si Daddy ng Timis. Hindi muna kami uwi. Saglit lang naman yun. 3 minutes stops na yun.
No.
3 to 5 minutes stops.
No.
Order mo ng Timis. Tapos wala sila, no? De? Malas.
Mag-pineapple juice na ako nito. Natamad na ako mong tagitang yan. Nung bisa
Hello?
ice. Hi, 1 large ice cup please. Bisa ka?
Ice coffee or ice cap?
Ice cup, large.
Okay.
Thank you. Yung french fries, manyaman ng french fries. Sali na kang french fries ka rin. Can I have a slip also? Thank you.
Ito ang ice cup. Gandang kulay. Hindi siya mapait.
Kinabsina ka.
Ito namang soup ang kung kaya. Rice, para kaya.
Nagbigay silang tissue. Pero marami talagang kumakain sa 5 years na yun eh.
Yaman naman kasi. I mean, pero nung papamili na naman kung 5 guys o kaya Burger King. Mag-Burger King na ako.
Kasi makakamura ka.
O, tsaka yun, may kalalasing Burger King ang pa yung 5 guys. Hoy, tamo, mas manyaman na talaga yung french fries yung 5 guys. Kasi pag maragol yung 5 guys eh. Yung french fries na.
Ang pang freshly.
Wow.
Hindi siya frozen. Eh di araw-araw gumagawa sila, no?
Beef?
Oo. Siguro may mas mahal pang burger yung Wagyu beef, no?
Siyempre.
fries ng Five Guys. Sarap. Sit ka na, Naya.
Okay. Wow. This one. This one.
No, eat ka na.
This one is perfect. This one is
Ito pala yung medium. Yung? Yung dulo pala pala.
Kain ka na. Yummy? Yummy fries? You like it? What happened, Naya? I thought for Wale lang yan. That's for you as well?
Mom.
Nasa?
Dad.
Complete access. Rest na lang.
Hey, you're a baby? Aww.
Your daddy's baby. Your daddy's baby.
Pagbaba mo, sakit ng likod ni Daddy.
Get na lang. Tulog na.
Tang-tang! Hi! Anong oras na? 7:30 na ng gabi. Mag-dinner na kami. Di ba nakapunta ng park si na Daddy? Ayaw mag-park ni Naya. Daddy asked her pero sabi niya ayaw. Ayaw ko mag-park. Naya! Naya! Nakatulog siya, ma?
Nagkat ng tatananan ding, mag-alas 6 na Darren.
Ayaw niya.
You want to go to the park? No, I want to stay home.
Marok kaya pakaramdam. Marok kaya pakaramdam ka.
Wala yung park yata. Wala niyang sinawan.
Alib, I think kaya. Wala nga rin naman eh. Pagkain natin. Tortang talong and fried chicken.
Eh, paman malambot na ako.
Kain. Si Jaden. Jaden!
Ang malambot na yan.
Jaden! Chuk 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 chuk. Wow! Yan ang pinamili namin kanina. Pajama ni Janaya.
Magpalambot.
Tatlong piraso na pares.
Kali ako tapares ka niya ng bigyan lang eh.
Ate!
Very good.
Anong oras na?
Oh.
9:15 na ng gabi. Jaden! Uy.
Mom.
Hi ka daw. Hi. Oh, we're closing the vlog now. What are you gonna say? Please like, subscribe.
Hey, Tana.
Subscribe? Anong your channel? Subscribe?
In our YouTube channel lang.
Ha?
In our YouTube channel.
In our YouTube channel, ano?
In channel lang.
What she said.
And subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you for watching. Share.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye ka daw. Bye. Bye. Jaden. Bye.